center.
Did it say it?
Yeah.
Nice.
With a picture of a guitar.
Nice.
Or, a sign.
I'm really... You're right there already.
Okay.
Wow. Calder-esque.
My favorite artist. Okay, retails for $245, $49.99. That's awesome. That was old Monet, and that is $35. We're gonna get that.
Here's the cop. In 1 mile, use the left 3 lanes to continue on Garden State Parkway South.
Yeah, it's February, but it's over 50 today, so we figured beach day. Right, Danielle?
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out this road. I'm nervous.
It's Springsteen. It's something Asbury Park.
I was trying to think Born to Run, but I don't think it says Asbury Park in it. I'm not sure.
Oh, Born to Run.
Exit right 2 state. You've arrived at your destination.
Back on the racks, consignment and more. Ugh. I don't like it already. Should we get a cart? Okay. These are all new, clearly.
They're like
jewelry. Oh, look.
They'll slide off
It's sort of Gucci-esque. Oh, these are very, very, very cheap. That's glass. I think I should just go straight to the case. If there is a case, find the case. You know, it's a new place. Probably the case is the best bet to figure it out. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, those are still very costume. Some Coach. Some Michael Kors. Some J. Crew. Abalone, some freshwater pearls, which they are saying is the best. The best. It's $22. Okay, it looks like they're showcasing the freshwater pearls is the best that they have for $24. So this probably is not the place for jewelry. This I need for the rack glasses I just got. I will buy that. Love. You've seen the wrap glasses around. I got them after I hit my head with the chair.
I don't know if it's going to be long enough, so just trying to find out if I can take it out and lay it on him to see if it's long enough.
Oh. Nothing so cheap plastic. There's a bunch of them too. And there's this side. Yeah, this is all just new, random. Oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. They're heavy. Recycled Mexican. Set. $9.99. That's great. Ooh, look at these. Love that. $4.99 for the set. I think it's correct.
Everybody's on their phone.
Why do I love this so much? Oh my goodness, it's $11.99. No, Dawn. It's probably like Hobby Lobby or something. Okay, this is super cute. it's handmade, right? It's got the conch buckles. It's over a sweater right now, but it's super cute. I have no idea how much it is. I just saw it on the hanger and grabbed it. It retails for $245, $49.99. Midwest Garment Company. It's really great. Thank you. Gift kitchen.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You want me to take your plate away, so using that?
Oh yeah, you can take that for sure. You can take both of these.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Chopsticks too, or no?
I don't care.
Look at that.
Did you get the girl posing?
No, we're gonna do that next. That. Look at the decaying grandeur of that. Wow. That's a rig. Did you see that rig? Look at this lucite lamp. 85 less 20. I love it.
Yes, thank you very much.
Awesome. Oh. I feel like I want this. I had one, I sold it in my fake estate sale, and now I can have one back. I'm gonna pass. I don't have a shop anymore. I have a studio space. That pendant is amazing. That's a very good pendant. Ooh, that we're gonna look at. I can't see. Does it say 450 or 50? We have to look at that. And wow, this is amazing. This place. Look, it just goes on and on and on.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those. The little leaves. That's enamel. That's Chinese enamel. I have to look at those also. Those are amazing. Snake. Okay, so three things. And if I see a torque for Danny, I'll get a torque for Danny. The heart's nice too. That's $175. This side.
Wow, that was easy.
This. I'm really.
You're right there already.
Okay.
Wow. Calder-esque.
My favorite artist.
Me too.
That is so cool. Why are you making me want to move here?
Oh, well. You want to hear a funny Calder bracelet story? That was with Gabrielle once at the...
Is that sign, right?
Oh, it's not Calder.
No.
No, right.
But
Yeah.
it's a signed piece.
Yeah,
I
it
think
looks
from
like-
the 60s in I think Mexico.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. We were in a Pier show once, and there was a booth with a...
Can I
Calder,
show-
Calder's dealer was there. Anyway, it was a bracelet.
Calder's dealer was there?
Yeah.
Can I I have a little YouTube channel. Can I put your face on to tell this story? Okay, I'll just have your voice.
I appreciate it though.
Okay.
Are we doing that really? Anyway, we were walking by and the bracelet was I think 75,000, and the guy said, "Do you want to try it on?" I said, "No, we're really just it's beautiful. We're looking at it." And he said, "No, put it on." It was my wife Gabrielle, and she did. And he said, "Do you want to wear it for a while?" And I said, "No, we're gonna put it back."
Oh my
It was
God.
nice,
He was like, hold the puppy.
Do you want to open this?
Yeah.
That was nice, right?
So it's
Stunning.
It's $450. Yeah, it's very, very special.
I don't know how you get. Well, I see what you're wearing, so I can understand why you spot pretty things.
Yeah,
That's very nice.
thank you. Yeah, okay, you can put that one back. Not in the budget today. What is this awesome thing? May I?
Of course. Oh, the 60s piece, yeah.
Oh, this is, you know who this is. No, I mean, we don't know who it is, but you know what it reminds me of?
Who are you thinking?
Sam Kramer.
Oh, okay, I know who that is. Yeah, yeah, true. Well, that probably is Mexican actually. Then.
Yeah, that's also gorgeous. It's so heavy and good. All right, there's one more thing I want to see, and it's in that case.
Okay.
Is that you?
No, but it's only there's 50 different dealers.
Oh, okay.
Do you know who we have is from the 50s.
Oh,
Beautiful stuff.
it's one of my favorites also.
Large. Yeah. Which
Oh, it's I forgot. It's over here somewhere. Which one was it? It
that one
was.
right there or down? I mean,
No, there's something right over here. Oh, it's those earrings.
Okay, let me get a booth. We have a lot of any clothes. That was much more affordable than Calder.
Yeah, right. So,
Good piece.
they're the enameled earrings. They look like Chinese enamel. You got it.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, these are really lovely. What does the tag say? Do you know? I cannot tell.
Well, they're sterling.
Yeah,
But what are you looking for?
the tag. I just want to know what the price is.
Yeah, that's a good question. $48.
Okay. Any kind of discount? Do you know?
10% with cash or check. That's all he does.
All right. I will get those.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
You want to bring them up front or?
I got it. Let me just
Okay.
lock this up.
Nice people. And then I'm going to grab this and see what that is. Just a little modernist piece.
You must have gone to an exhibit in Pennsylvania. That's funny. I didn't.
What
Calder
exhibit?
jewelry. They don't exhibit Calder
Oh
jewelry.
God, no! That was while I was out west. I was dying.
you have
I
the
was
book?
stuck in California.
The book
I
is
do. I have
incredible,
the Calder jewelry book, the one
Yeah.
that costs $800.
Is it?
I finally got one.
Oh, okay, they were 50 when you were at the show.
Oh,
Oh
God.
At the museum, they're $800.
well, the one that I mean, I don't
Yeah, I
know
know
if it's
it's
the
a
same
used
one.
one, yeah.
Yeah,
It's huge,
yeah. The one that was published a long time ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't tell me it was republished. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Okay, well, I'm definitely going to get those.
The show was closed when it was sort of towards the end of the show. Okay, I'll put the
Okay,
book for it.
thank you. Nice meeting you. What's your name?
My name's Brad.
I'm Dawn.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
we traveled across the country looking at Calders. It was
Pretty. French as is. Bracelet. Oh, because it's missing stones. Oh, that's so cool, though.
They lost their license.
I could put stones in there. I'm gonna get that. Is this your case? I could put stones in here. It says French as is, 28. I could definitely put stones in there. I'm gonna look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh. This is fabulous. It is fabulous. I'm going to try and open it. Those look like they glow. Those really look like they glow. Let me get my light. Oh yeah, they do. You can tell. Those are cool. But they're screw backs. Oh, but they're so nice. I kind of don't need them. That looks like ruby emerald. Those are good. The vibe here is amazing. Amazing, amazing vibe. Reminds me of old New York. Look at that. 45. The link chain. It's a good link chain. Look at all the amber. So much amber. Aha. A matte link.
Excuse me.
A matte. Oh, that is so close to the one I have that Maria wants. I have to look at that for sure. Let me find somebody. Also, that's beautiful. The amethyst. Oh, multicolor pearls. Amethyst druzy. Oh, snake on glass.
All the days.
Yeah. Okay. So it was this. See that. And now, of course, now that it's open, I'm seeing all this other cool stuff. That's like an amber. No, it's not amber. It's amber-ish. Okay. What does that say? Oh, it's Old Anne Klein. It's an Old Anne Klein.
Wow.
Okay. So this, I need to get a picture of. Look at the bangle. What is that? It's so beautiful. That's so handmade. Oh,
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, I didn't know.
wow. Zach.
It is a lot of great stuff.
Oh my gosh, there's no price on it. It says Sterling and it says Zach. That is so awesome.
Oh, the price came down. It's like faded out.
Yeah.
It says 95.
Okay. It's a pretty good price. Yeah. All right, you can put that one back. Thank you. And the other one, I will let you know. I'm just gonna send it to her.
What?
George Michael.
Oh my god. So have you not made your way?
That's gorgeous. Oh, I love those.
Which ones? Triangles?
No, the ones next to it. See,
Oh, with
they're
the
like
little nubs?
balls. Those look like somebody made them. Those
Yeah,
look really,
it does.
really good.
I'm sure they're charging.
I feel like I want to see those. Can you tell how much they are? 95. Okay.
Either 95 or 45. I can't
Oh,
tell.
I know. They're all
Yeah, I
like that
can't
here. Those are nice too. The ones on the trees that curve. Oh, and look at those. The hanging ones. Oh, look at the pink lucite balls. Oh, wow. How did you even see that? I don't see it anywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's Ronnie. I keep looking at Ronnie's stuff.
Yeah.
I like Ronnie's eye. Here, take this back. Oh, I have that bracelet right now. Just, it's for sale right now, actually, in the shop. It should be underneath this video if it's still there. Yeah. Oh, look at that. What is that? It's hard to say. It's some kind of natural stone that's been wire wrapped.
Oh, yeah.
It's big. I've got one of these right now, too. How much is that? Mine's new in the box.
Huge.
Dansk. Okay.
Candle holder.
Yeah, that'll be under the video as well.
That's nice.
If it's still available.
Alright, so there's jewelry this way that everyone.
All right. You're like my guide.
Yeah. We only have so much time.
Okay.
It was made from like the carcass of a dead lamb to
Swarovski grapes. Oh, thank you. This is the place. Oh, I just had one of those.
What was it?
Somebody grabbed it in the last sale. The big anchor. Oh, that's a nice one. That's in very good condition. This big gold snake. Beautiful. I like that guy a lot with the great eye pin. Look at the eye pin. That is fabulous. Those are 3 together. I thought it was 1 for. What is that, Danielle? Look, that. What is that?
Piece of something.
Yeah, I think it says it's $50.
Oh, it's. Oh. Oh.
It looks like London. Okay, we're gonna check that out before the lady next to me does. People have a way of wanting things after I look at them.
That big mouth.
That's, yeah, we do have passenger, but it's the holiday cooking.
Yeah, it's pretty rare that I see something I could actually buy. I'm gonna go grab them. Pretty dress. Looks like authentic 1940s. Amazing shelves. I'm sure they are not for sale. Looks like a Bowman.
There's no concern with the bridge from, author to audience. He just does what he wants and that makes it look so.
He's getting the key. Yeah, there's some really great things in this case. This is the case for me. I'm also looking at that big chunker. And those for $28. Okay, I'd like to see this. I have a YouTube channel, so your hand might be in it.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You get to check out my stuff then.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Mojo. Oh, it's Tory Burch? No way. I thought it was older. It's 95. I can't do Tory Burch. Okay. That is incredible, though. That's a solid piece of sodalite or lapis. This. That's awesome. That was old Monet. And that is $35. We're going to get that. I hand that to you.
Okay.
And it looks like we have a faux KJL here. Yeah, that's really made pretty lightweight. So put that back. Put that one back. And then was this? I think this was... Okay. And now these. Yep, we're going to get those too. Oh, do you want to leave the little tree? Mm-hmm. Look, I can do it all one-handed.
You're pretty good at this.
It's like I started yesterday or something. Yeah. Someone's handmade crystal things, some Renoir. Turn that over. Oh, those are cute. I do do really like that. All right, let me see your case. I'm out of reclaimed wood. That's cool. This is a really like creative, collaborative community, isn't it? Oh,
See the table there? That's like from the 1880s, all of that wood.
Wow. Oh, it's ship. Liberty ship
It's the hatch cover.
hatch. It's the hatch.
Cargo hatches.
Wow. Okay, let me get your card in here. Okay, so you're John?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everybody. John Labadia Sr. He makes all of this from antique wood.
118.36.
Okay. There you go. That looks kind of like a scarab. That's cool. Oh, I have one of those. I have one of those right now. And the soundtrack is awesome. Thank you. Don't forget, I have sales twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. Wednesday is an auction, Friday is a sale on the Niche Shopping Network at 7 p.m. Eastern. See you in the next one. Bye.